thing here. I think the first thing we have to do is draw a line, right? So we'll draw a line from that point to that point. Having selected the 2 points, would say draw a line. You see there's a, if I make 2 points again, you'll see there's a little letter by the side of it. L for line, A for arc, R for rectangle, U for undo. So once I've got 2 points selected, I can just go L for line. These rays make it easy to do the line at 30 degrees. And if I wanted to, at the moment, you'll see from the coordinate readout that it's saying that radius is 4, the length of that line is 4. If I change it up here to be, say, 6, I can say, let's draw a line that long. You can measure things also with those rays. So if I put that on the center of the circle and go to there, you can see that the radius of the circle is 5.2 and cosine is x 2.6 and so on. Some of the things you're noticing is if I go near things, they preview and they show you their interesting points as well. Lots of drawing commands. If I wanted a line parallel from that one through that point, I go, what did I do? Oh, I know. So that line parallel through that point, or from that point, or that one parallel through the midpoint, that one. All very, very quick. So I wanted an arc which went from, started there, went through there, went to there, A for arc. More likely to want a circle. Maybe I wanted a circle which centered there and goes through there, A for arc. Sometimes you want to trim a circle, so I could say trim that back to there. You might say maybe you wanted to extend this line until it reaches that arc, so I could first of all extend it to there and then say now I've got an intersection to guide it, I can do that. Maybe I want a tangent between that point and that arc. L for line. It's given me the 2 solutions. L for line, D for delete. Zoom in, have a closer look. Keep going, no loss of clarity. Zoom to fit is a simple keystroke. All of these things are in the menu as well. This is how you tend to get to know the keystrokes, but all the things you can do are here. I think perhaps copy and paste is one of the most interesting things. If I pick that and say that's where I want to pick it up from and go copy, I've now got a copy of that thing floating about under my mouse, like it just pops on down. Quite often I'd want to say put a whole bunch along a row, so maybe I want 6 along that line. Boom. Maybe I want to make it a bit smaller. Instead of scale 1, scale it 0.2, so it's really tiny. Maybe rotate it 30 degrees. Boom, boom, boom. Maybe I want to change the colour of this one. Properties, change the colour. And we'll make it that colour. And we'll put an arrow on the start and a blob on the end, and we'll make those arrows a bit bigger. Maybe I want to change the colour of everything inside there. Properties to very faint grey, like that. U for undo. That shows you lots of things. I think it's probably enough to get you going. Let's see what that video looks like. If and when I can find the icon.